Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the details of the new Citroen C4 during the night, or should I say here in the garage. We are now on Croatian Premier. I have the key here, and as you can see, the C4 is now a crossover with a very interesting design. So look at the front headlamps. So the main unit is here. You have the daytime running LEDs. Those are standard here. They are connected with this grille. Nice pattern here also, chevron pattern on this front air inlet. Let me show you the side profile of this thing. So you have the side skirts in plastic, trademark sign, the air bumps of course, interesting LED lights on the mirrors, this sloping roofline, and this is the most interesting part of the car. Now, car unlocks and locks itself all the time, but you get the point. Here it's the rear of the car. Once again, V shape and looking very nice. Let me unlock it and show you the trunk. You're greeted with 380 liters of space, whether you go for the petrol, diesel or electric. So they all have same amount of liters here, which is a plus. Let me step inside and show you quickly how it looks from inside. So we have a very comfortable seats with the foam inside, and digital cockpit is also here, as well as this frameless 10-inch screen. So let me close the door and show you the first details. Start the car. And here you have this digital cockpit, and the main screen is here. You can have the access to the main screen like this, but there is also a home button which is located here, and you can change various things. There are actually color themes, 3 of them. Red, we press OK. We have the red theme, you see this in red. If we change it to blue, press OK. Blue theme. We also have ambient lights here, and on the door pocket, driver's side. And the third theme is the brown theme. Press OK. You see everything changes to brown. My personal favorite is the blue one. Let's put it to blue. And well, yeah, you have various information here in front of the driver. Buttons on the steering wheel for various functions. And yeah, well, there is an in-depth review on my channel, so you can watch that one out. But for now, let's turn off the car and let's take a look at the front headlights once again. On the key, you can actually, for example, lock the car and then turn on the lights as well. So you just press this, there we go, have the lights. So thank you for watching. As I said, do watch my in-depth review of this car, and there's also gonna be a night point of view drive, so stay tuned for that and see you on the next one. Bye bye.